Hello students, in today's session we are going to learn about factors affecting the location of industries. Objectives: at the end of the session, students will be able to understand the various factors which are affecting the location of industries. We have classified the industries based on raw material, size and ownership. To set up these industries, we have to consider various factors. These are the very essential factors for the location of industries. Those factors are raw material, power, land, transport, labor, capital, market, water, communication, climate, organization and banking facility. So, students, we will discuss these factors one by one in detail. Let us talk about raw material. Raw materials are one of the important factors in an industrial location. Some of the industries are situated near the availability of the raw materials. These industries require huge amount of raw material. Therefore, industries are located near the source of raw materials because it saves the cost of transportation. Most of the agro-based industries are located near the raw materials. Most of the integrated steel plants are located near the source of raw material as they require huge source of raw materials. For example, concentration of iron and steel industry in Chota Nagpur plateau is due to the presence of iron ore. TISCO at Jamshedpur gets coal from Jharia, coalfields and iron ore, limestone, manganese from Odisha and Chhattisgarh. Okay students, next factor we will discuss is about power or energy. Regular power supply is a prerequisite for the location of any industries. Coal, mineral oil and hydroelectricity are the three important conventional sources of power. Most of the industries tend to concentrate for the source of power. Regular power supply is essential for the effective production system. If the sources of power are close to the industrial location, it will help in reducing the cost of electricity and there is a higher efficiency. For example, Tata Iron and Steel Plant at Jamshedpur, the new aluminium producing units at Koraba, Chhattisgarh and Renkut, Uttar Pradesh, the copper smelting plant at K3, Rajasthan and Singrauli coal field in Madhya Pradesh are near the source of power and raw material deposit. Okay students, next factor we will discuss about the land. The availability of effective land or a site is one of the important source for the setting up of an industry. We consider where the industry has to be located because it is one of the important factor if we get a large and flat surface for the expansion of industry and it should be served by the adequate transport facilities. Now, there is a tendency of setting up of industry in the rural area because in the urban areas the cost of land has been high. Okay students, next factor we will discuss is about transportation. Transportation facilities are the key source for location of any industries. Industries which are located near the efficient transport has increased the sale and the production of goods and services easily. So, The junction point of waterways, roadways and railways became the center of industrial activity. Development of railway lines in India connecting the port towns with hinterland determined the location of industries around Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai. Okay students, next factor we will discuss is about labor. Labours are one of the important source in the location of industries. Labours act as a backbone of any industries. Labours are the one who take care all the process in the factories. Labour supply is important in two aspects: worker in large numbers and people with skill or technical experts. Availability of labours is one of the success mantra of any industry. For example, the tea industry is located in northeastern India because labours are available at cheaper rates. The growth of cotton textile industry near Mumbai is due to the availability of cheap labour. Okay students, next we will discuss about the capital. Capital investment plays a very vital role in establishment of industries because we can invest more and we can take the better infrastructure for our industries such as taking up of land, wages for labor, construction of building and technology. Nowadays, the modern industries capital intensive. They require huge capital for the better output of production. For example, Mumbai, Kolkata, Delhi and Chennai are the big industrial centers because the big capitalists live in these cities. These cities are known for banking and financial support. Okay students, next factor we will discuss is about market. Availability of market near the industry, it is easy for the goods transportation. Location of industries near to market is essential for quick disposal of manufactured goods. This reduces the transportation cost as well as it helps the consumer to get the product at cheaper rates. Okay students, next factor we will discuss is about water. The availability of the water is one of the essential factor for the location of any industries. Most of the industries are situated near river, lakes and canals where water is easily available. Like for example, iron and steel industry, textile industry and chemical industries where they require large quantity of water for processing purpose. It requires 36,400 liters of water to produce 1 kilowatt of thermal electricity. But students, water used in the industries are polluted and this water cannot be used for any other purpose. Some of the industries are polluting the water through releasing the industrial waste which will pollute the water. But this pollution can be stopped through treating the industrial waste properly before leaving them into the water bodies. Okay students, next factor is about communication. Communication is probably one of the important source for the location of industry. Communication includes access to internet, fax and phone. This will give freedom to locate industries based on their choice. Communication will allow people to get access to transport routes such as motorways, airports, railways and the ports which will attract the industrial location. Okay students, next factor we will discuss about climate. The climatic factors are also very important factor for locating in setting up industries. It is very difficult in industrial development in extremely hot, dry, cold or humid climate. For example, extreme climate in northwestern India, it made difficult for the industrial development. But in contrast to moderate climate in west coastal area, is quite suitable for the industrial development. Because of this reason, around 24% of India's modern industries are located in Maharashtra and Gujarat. Likewise, cotton textile industries require humid climate because thread breaks in dry climate. Because of this reason, most of the cotton textile mills are located in Maharashtra and Gujarat. Okay students, I think you are clear with the factors affecting the location of industry, that is climate. Okay students, next factor we will discuss is about efficient organization. Efficient and enterprising organization and management, it is very essential for running industries successfully. Lack of management which leads to the waste of capital, and it creates a problem in industries for the financial crisis and which leads to the industrial ruin. Because of this, effective and efficient management is required for the development of an industry. Okay students, next factor is about banking facility. Banking facilities daily exchange of currencies in terms of crores, which is possible through the banking facility. So, the area which is having a better banking facility is quite suitable for the establishment of industries. Okay students, I think you all are clear with factors affecting the location of industries. Now, can you list out the factors affecting the location of industries? Okay, in the next session, we will learn about industrial system.
Wear mask, stay safe. Thank you.